This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This video covers the right turn from Torquay to Combeinteignhead. In this video we're currently travelling northbound on the A380 and we need to stay in the left-hand lane to take the exit for Penn Inn. As we approach the next overhead sign, you'll notice that the lane starts to widen and it splits into two. The signs are quite late on the approach to the roundabout, but because we know we're turning right, we will position into the right-hand lane, but confirm that with signs and road markings as we approach. So it's just starting to split off now for the exit, and you can see the lane is widened here, so we're keeping to the right. There is a sign on the left which tells us that Combeinteignhead is a right turn at the roundabout, but there's still no information about lanes. As we approach the traffic lights, you will see it written on the floor that the right-hand lane goes to Buck and Combe, so Buckland and Combeinteignhead. As we come up to the roundabout, we're going to stay in this right-hand lane. We do need to be aware of the lanes to our left as we come around. The centre lane, so the one immediately to the left, could go to the second exit, as could the lane that we're in. It's not very well used. That's the road ahead. That people would usually use the bridge for that rather than the roundabout, but it is possible. So we just need to keep an eye on that as we come ahead here and then follow on round to the right. There are no yellow boxes visible here, so it should just be safe for us to continue on once the lights have changed. It is important that we keep an eye out for anything that might be coming from the right, such as emergency services vehicles, perhaps going through a red. So as we come around here, we can see we've got this right arrow and it will pick up as we come around towards the next set of lights. It's only saying Exeter here, but we are going to continue on round to the right. We could go into any of the four lanes under the bridge, but for Combeinteignhead we want the far left, so we keep going straight towards the outside edge of the roundabout, and then we can follow this lane up. It's really important we keep a check on those mirrors and we keep far over to the left as we leave the roundabout, because there is a lane to our right taking the same exit. So here at these traffic lights, the left-hand lane would be for Buckland. We're going to carry on up the hill for Combeinteignhead. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some other videos?